Richard, what time is it?
I don't know.
Tired of calling the VCR repairman every time the power goes out? Well, we'll put a stop to that. Take the power back from your VCR repairman and gain control over your investment. Your VCR. Here at VCR-tists, we care about your VHS success. We're not like other VCR repair schools. You won't find frustrated instructors and intimidation tactics at our seminars. So join me and my team of VH experts for our 8-week seminar.
Richard, what time is it? Oh, I forgot. The power went out again.
It's 5:45, dear.
Seminar financing is available, and don't forget about our fireman's discount.